sets the lighting and the pose of the first image. So we want to make sure that we combine all the elements in there. Here's a fully combined prompt that includes everything you asked for. Model's face, hair stays exactly the same. Model wears the plus size woman. Okay, perfect. Looks like it's thinking. We're using the free version of ChatGPT, but I would recommend definitely using the paid version. It's definitely worth it in regards to uh, getting these type of prompts. So you can further edit it a little bit more. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I think I do want to rewrite it specifically for Nano Banana's formatting because, hey, as close as we could get to our actual image, the better. We're going to copy that and we are going to go into our Google Gemini and let's go ahead and just create a new chat here just because. Collapse that here. Upload photos. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and create a image. Upload our photo. We're going to take our photo from our original image, the Blazer image. We are going to upload our photo of our real model from a photo shoot I just took this weekend. Her name is Chloe. Perfect. All right. So this should not only copy the outfit, but it should also copy the pose as well. So while that's thinking, keep in mind, Super Whisper has a free version and a paid version. I use the free version and it doesn't do me wrong. It does me right. Pinterest, of course, is free. This is where I go to get my inspiration for poses and things of that nature. Just really just cool poses that you can find. A lot of times with AI, people get caught up on like taking or stealing prompts and stuff like that. Poses aren't copyrighted. People always have a pose. ChatGPT is really fantastic for getting precise prompts and analyzing images. Nano Banana or Google Gemini can analyze prompts as well, but I just like ChatGPT using the two tools separately. So let's take a look. Right, all right, all right. So um we have our image here. We have the color, we have the lighting, we have our person here, and this is what it looks like. I definitely feel like it captured the suits. It definitely captured the lighting. It definitely captured the lighting. It's a little bit more teal on the right side. The image of the person, it looks like her, but it doesn't look exactly like her. And I think that's something that we are going to have to run into when it comes to uh, Nano Banana. Is it not necessary, or AI images in general? It can be consistent, but it's not always 100%. I'm going to see about trying to, and I got the pose because it's kind of like, she got her hands in her pocket. So I'll go with that. I'm going to ask it to make her look more like the original photo. Yeah, her look more like the person in the purple photo. Yeah, make her look more like the person in the photo. We'll see if it actually does it or not. If not, we're gonna try. We're gonna try a couple more prompts to try to get it right. So this is the image that we have. This is our person. Do I think it looks exactly like the person? Not necessarily. Here, I'm gonna use that prompt one more time. We're gonna upload our image, Chloe here. As a matter of fact, we're gonna use our. We're gonna actually use it. Let's use a different. Let's use use a completely different sample image, actually. Let's use a different sample image. Let's see if we can. It's pretty cool. Yeah, let's completely change up the vibe. Let's go with turtleneck. So let's go ahead, save image as.